The coins alert is where everything in this video comes from. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my station to get more XRP news and news about cryptocurrencies in general. Now read this important new information about the Ripple SEC case from November 1st. Before we go any further, there is a new crypto airdrop going on Telegram right now. It will soon be over. Make sure that you take part in this airdrop. Just below the movie, there is a link. Do not miss this now. Let's watch our video some more. The U.S. Court of Appeal for the Second Circuit told the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) that it had to turn in its primary appeal brief against Ripple Labs by January 15, 2025. This was after the SEC asked for an extension of the deadline until that date. The first step has been taken. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) could not turn in the appeal statement by the due date. James K. Phelan, the lawyer for the defendant, showed the official plea that the regulator had sent to delay the file. The former federal lawyer told everyone on November 1st what they thought about the request from the Securities and Exchange Commission. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has suggested a large payment for Ripple Labs, which has caused a lot of talk in the financial world. The SEC suddenly called off a very important meeting to talk about the settlement resolution. Many people who write about this think that Ripple and the SEC have made a deal. A lot of people think that the Ripple SEC deal will be over soon. In a recent strategic move, Ripple bought back XRP and announced big exchange listings. This made these statements more likely to come true. Experts say that Ripple's big buy is an important part of their deal with the SEC. More than 19 central banks want to add to the XRP system and use the XRP coin, which would make the XRP more powerful. The involvement of institutions means that the value of XRP may go up. Recent predictions put it close to $110,000. A huge $9.4 billion worth of XRP has been bought by 19 central banks. As more banks use the XRP ecosystem, they use more than just XRP, the record, and the token. They also use other coins that are part of it. The recent success of the XRP market is due to the fact that the Ripple SEC case is almost over. Ripple Labs has been given a settlement deal by the SEC. It includes a $770 million XRP disgorgement fee. It is important to remember that Ripple turned down a similar deal from the SEC in the past. This event happens at the same time that the Federal Reserve and other big banks like BlackRock and JP Morgan buy XRP AWA for almost $7.5 million, which is in line with when it is supposed to be listed. XRP as a consumer good instead of a bond. The paper that was shown in Fallon's post says that the court agreed to the regulator's request. But it also said that the appeal would be thrown out if the agency didn't send in its brief by January 15th, which was the due date. It was also made clear by the court that any further requests for an extension or other forms of help would not change the filing date. The current court case is based on a landmark decision made by Judge Lisa Torres in 2023. She said that sales of Ripple's XRP coin on exchanges did not meet the Howey Test's investment contract standard. Also, the judge told Ripple they had to pay a $125 million fine because they sold XRP to banks, which she thought was against the rules for operating a securities business. In answer, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) said it would appeal some parts of the decision. On October 17th, it finally sent in its pre-argument statement. The office wrote in the letter about 6 issues it would not support. Some of these problems were Ripple's automatic sales of XRP on cryptocurrency trading sites and the personal sales that Brad Garlinghouse and Christian Larsson, 2 of the company's top executives, made. In response to what the SEC did, Ripple filed its own cross-appeal, which was specifically against some parts of Judge Torres' order. In the appeal, there were 4 major points made. One of them was that the Securities Act of 1933 defines an investment contract in a very specific way. Some experts think that this appeal could change how digital goods are regulated. The company says that in order to do business with XRP, there must be a written deal with duties after the sale and a promise of profit for the buyer. They say, though, that this condition doesn't apply to their deals. The fair notice theory says that the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) and other regulatory bodies have not been clear enough about how cryptocurrencies are treated legally under federal law, in which the business said it had tried to do so. The XRP community is getting angry because of all the delays that have happened during the lawsuit, which has been going on for more than 4 years. Ripple Labs has won a big battle because it makes it easy for more organizations to use the XRP cryptocurrency. Due to clearer laws, experts think XRP could hit $10,000 per coin, which would allow transactions worth trillions of dollars, but some people might not trust the views of experts. Based on my study, this is what most institutional investors think, since XRP has the potential to handle over $1.2 quadrillion. A value of 10,000 XRP is not only possible, it's necessary. Because there isn't much XRP available and it's in high demand for large-scale financial transactions, it needs to be valued highly in order to make sure there is enough money for payouts, for the cryptocurrency to handle a lot of financial activities around the world without running out. Arthur Bordeaux, one of the founders of Ripple Lab, said that XRP was designed to have a 10K value so that it could be used anywhere in the world. Burrito stressed that XRP needed to be able to serve more than 7.5 billion users. This shows how important XRP is to the future transfer of wealth around the world. The fact that the Federal Reserve was very interested in the XRP system backs up this point of view. Several reports have named Ripple and XRP as great assets for making payments across borders. When XRP is recognized, it could be used more often and earn more money, especially for regular buyers who can use its fast transaction features. Use this chance to your benefit and look for the link and code in the video description. Of course, there is also a chance to win extra gifts. Password. It's easy to make deposits. Send BNB to the address given to get information in real time thanks to automated processes. Look at the regulatory situation in the US. At the moment, only 2 cryptocurrencies are officially recognized by the government: blockchain and XRP Go. What an amazing guess. Forbes said that XRP would hit around $60,000, which is in line with what Google and Bing said. Forbes took down a prediction from a story called The New Bitcoin is XRP, and it's heading to 59K C2, getting people in the XRP community to talk and speculate. This has led to a lot of talk and energy among people who are interested in cryptocurrencies. XRP and Bitcoin's possible values are similar, which is interesting because it means XRP might be worth more than Bitcoin in the future. The information given is not meant to be taken as trade advice. Any purchases made based on the information on this page are not the responsibility of the people who made them. Before making any investment decisions, you should definitely do your own study and talk to a professional who knows what they're talking about.